Welcome to Life Devotions. I'm Robert Mosbach. Do you ever feel it's not happening? It's not working for you? I don't know what else to do. I'm not sure if I could put up with this any longer. Of course you do. We all have those moments. We all have those moments when we become weary. And the Bible talks about it so often, to not be weary in well-doing, to not give up, to not cave in, to not quit. But it doesn't just tell us not to do it, it also gives us the reason why we don't have to. Why do you not have to give up today? Why would you not want to give up today? Because God's love for you is so great and so overwhelming that it opens every possibility to you. Every possibility to have victory in the most impossible situations, in the most difficult situations, which I believe that God would like you to look back at these difficult times in your life and say, wow, look what the Lord has done for me. But think about this. Even King David, who had seen so many phenomenal victories, he said, I said in my haste, I'm cut off from before your eyes. Nevertheless, you heard the voice of my supplication when I cried out to you. Oh, love the Lord, all you his saints, for the Lord will preserve the faithful. You know, even David says, come on, don't give up. Don't give up. Don't be unfaithful. In other words, don't just say, well, I'm not going to do it anymore. No. Love the Lord. Call upon his name. Say, Lord, you're my strength. You're my help. You are faithful to help me and see me through. The Bible says in Psalm 40 that he is a well-proven help in time of trouble and delivers us from a horrible pit. In other words, whatever the circumstances may be like, he can pull us out of it. And don't ever think that God's hand is too short to pull you out. In other words, you say, oh, Pastor, I've fallen too deep. I've gone too far. I've made too big of a mistake. There's no recovery for me. No. There is nothing too difficult for the Lord. He made the heavens and the earth by his great power. Is there anything too hard for him? So come on, cheer up and just look up and say to the Lord, thank you for helping me today, and then watch something phenomenal happen.